Jet Edge's lineup of ultra-high-pressure intensifier pumps just got stronger with the release of its Hero series featuring Jet Smart Controls. The Hero 150 series delivers 60,000 psi of water pressure generated by two single-piston dual-plunger intensifiers and a 150 horsepower Tefsine NEMA premium efficiency motor. Delivering up to 3.2 GPM flow rate and a maximum orifice size of 0.025 allows you to supply multiple cutting heads or multiple tables with a single pump. The high flow rates introduce a range of specialty applications, including stripping, degreasing, and a whole world of cleaning. Jet Smart Controls makes the user interface so simple, allowing the operator to quickly set pump pressures, visualize intensifier cycles, receive performance feedback in real time, and receive prompts for scheduled maintenance. Remote start, Y-Delta motor starter, dual pressure set points, soft start accumulator, and 2-quart attenuator, wrapped in a rugged all-steel frame and cabinet, are all standard features. The water buffering technology includes a boost pump along with the 2-quart attenuator. Add a plus sign after the Hero name, and a host of premium features get added, including a soft start motor starter, light stack with audible warning, electronic hydraulic pressure control, check tube sensors, bleed down sensors, auto leakage sensor, and Jet Smart Plus controls for remote monitoring. Many customizable additions are available based on your water volume and pressure needs. The pump is the heart of your water jet cutting system, and Jet Edge is one of the few water jet equipment companies that manufactures both its motion systems and ultra-high pressure intensifier pumps, so you never get caught between manufacturers on who is responsible for service. When you need performance you can count on every day, Jet Edge's Hero Series pumps deliver. Visit us online at jetedgewaterjets.com to learn about our Hero Series lineup and download a spec sheet. While you're there, look at some of the case studies that detail creative solutions to cutting and cleaning issues. Complete a Contact Us form, or better yet, call us at 1-800-JET-EDGE to talk about your production needs.